Welcome. You'd like to have modifiers in Threads Max that already enhance Threads Max as powerful in itself. To create parametric objects like these. For example. Then create balconies, windows, trees, plants, etc. without knowing how to model any of this. Then leave Threads Max to do this. If yes, the course is for you because we are going to install new scripts, new plugins, some commercial at a very affordable cost and some free that will make Threads Max users happy. So I'm waiting for you in this course. We're going to touch on different render engines, even though this is not a render course, but it's a pure course of parametric modeling using scripts, modifiers and plugins for potential Threads Max. Welcome to this new course.